Straight pipes. Hot Wheels. HW Hot Wheels. Hot rods. Factory seal. They made two different colors. A red one and this purplish black. I think it's yeah, something like that. And I already uploaded the red one, and so if you want to compare and contrast this one, just go to my uploads search box and type in straight pipes, and then you'll get both of them plus some others in different years. I think I got about 4 or 5 of them, something like that. I just didn't want to do another one again. What's the point, right? That was kind of long, wasn't it?